Hello friends, welcome back to Swaggy Amma, and today we are back with another delicious recipe from the Konkani cuisine. This is actually an evening snack or a breakfast recipe using cucumber. It's nothing but mogge or magge polo or kakdicha dosa. To prepare this recipe, few of the ingredients which we require would be 2 cup of idli rice or raw rice, 1 small size sambar cucumber, or it can also be called as mango cucumber, half cup of freshly grated coconut, half cup of cooked rice, and about 1 tablespoon of grated jaggery. Firstly, to begin with, wash and soak the idli rice or raw rice for minimum 2 to 3 hours before further use. Next, take the cucumber and peel the outer layer of it with the help of a peeler. Later, chop them into 4 equal portions and de-seed them. Chop this further into medium sized cubes, and here for this recipe we will be using 1 cup of chopped cucumber. Next, take the mixer jar and into that transfer the soaked rice, cucumber, grated coconut, leftover rice, jaggery, and 1 cup of water, and grind this until your fine batter is ready. Transfer the batter into another container and allow this to rest overnight or minimum 6 to 8 hours before further use. Once your batter is well fermented, add salt as per taste and give the batter a good mix. Next, take a dosa tawa, and once the tawa is hot enough, pour 2 ladle full of batter. Start making concentric circle right from the center and spread the batter uniformly. Now close this with a lid and allow this to cook in low to medium flame until done. You can season this with some homemade ghee if you need. And now your delicious polo is ready. This can be had along with butter or even along with some spicy chutney or any other spicy side dish. So do try this recipe and do let me know on how it was in the comment section. If you like this video, do not forget to give us a thumbs up and to share it along with your friends. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to like, follow and subscribe to Swaggy Amma in Facebook, Instagram and YouTube.